This video is for you if you have knee pain and have been told it is or suspect it might be arthritis. We're going to show you a pain reducing exercise and show you how and when to do it. So to perform this exercise, have something to hold on to help your balance. It could be a walking stick, the back of a chair, or even the side unit in the kitchen, for example. You then need to be able to slide your foot over the ground. So if you have a wooden floor, then you could wear a sock so you can slide across the wooden floor. On a carpeted floor, you could use a plastic tray or perhaps a plastic lid, something that will help you glide across the carpet. We're using a purposefully made slide disc. These are readily available and not expensive, and I'll put a link in the description below to point you in the right direction should you wish to purchase a slide disc to do this exercise. We're now going to show you how to do the exercise, but make sure you stay tuned until the end where I'll share some problem-solving tips. It's easy to get started with this exercise. To begin with, just slide the disc back a short distance and slightly bend the knee on the weight-bearing leg, as demonstrated here. To progress, lower yourself further towards the floor by bending your knee more and sliding the disc back further. Here, you can see an example of a further progression where the body is lowered further down towards the floor in a controlled manner. Make sure you keep your weight-bearing leg in alignment so that your knee is facing over your toes and your leg is not twisting. I'll explain this a bit further later in the video. So reassuring research indicates that this exercise can reduce knee pain and improve function at all levels of severity. And we'll put a link to the research in the description below the video. Let me say that again, at all levels of severity. So if you're experiencing lots of pain or have had an X-ray informing you of joint degeneration, then you still will benefit from this exercise. So a couple of other modifications you can make to the exercise to make it more comfortable for you. If you're experiencing quite a lot of knee discomfort, then you can try sitting your hip back more and bending the knee less. So rather than bending forwards, you're going to bend back, bending from the hip, sitting your weight back, keeping the knee behind the toes, and that might make your knee a bit more comfortable when you do the exercise. Once you've got a bit stronger and your knee is feeling a bit less sensitive, do allow your knee to go forward over your toes as you do the exercise, because this will help to strengthen up the muscles around your knee more. And it's also good to have some variety with the exercise as it makes it more functional and will be more helpful for you. The other thing you can do, if I turn to face you on the camera there, is as you come forward, we've already talked about keeping the knee in line with the toes, so we've got good alignment, but you could try turning your weight out onto the outside border of your foot, so turning the weight out like so, and that will offload the medial side of the knee. And as you do that exercise, once again, you might find it reduces the knee pain. I'm not saying that the knee pain is inherently a bad thing, but if you can make a small tweak to the exercise that makes it more comfortable for you, then that is ultimately a good thing and will make your exercise experience a more positive one. So don't worry if you don't get immediate relief from this exercise. The research shows that it can take a few sessions for the pain relief to start to occur. So if you don't get that immediate relief, I recommend you try at least 6 sessions over the course of a few weeks to see if then you start to experience some reduced pain, improved strength, and generally improved function. It's also absolutely fine to wear a knee support, to tape your knee, or to do anything else which you find helps to reduce your knee pain. If it makes you do the exercises with more comfort, gives you more motivation, and makes you more likely to do them, then it's absolutely fine to use these additions. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider sharing it with anybody who you think may find it helpful. There's some other helpful videos showing on the screen here. Thanks for watching.